Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily set up your own LLC in Maryland. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below on this video and click on the link in the description. When you're going to do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to smooth our way to creating our own LLC. Now, why do I recommend Incfile? This is important. I recommend Incfile because it's going to let us to focus on actually making the money and creating value for people, and not taking care of all the administration and not taking care of all like how to start a company. So this is for me is really important, is not taking care of all the micromanaging, all the accounting, but actually focusing just on the business. So when you come here on the Incfile, you want to click here start my business, and I'm going to show you the whole process. So here, when you're going to be, you're going to choose LLC here and then Maryland. Okay, and now when we got it, you're gonna have three options here: silver, gold, or platinum. With the silver version, you're gonna have the basics: filling the articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But I recommend going with the gold or platinum, only because with the gold, you're gonna have also the business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, like let's say unlimited phone and email support if you're gonna have any questions, and business tax consultation. This is huge here. And also the banking resolution. So in the gold, you're gonna have covered most of the stuff. And platinum, I would recommend only if you need the expedited filling. So let's say you need it faster to make the company, not in weeks, but let's say days. Then also domain name and business email, and then also business contract templates. So I'll click here on the gold, get the gold package, and I'm going to first name, last name, email. So I will go like Marcus Stonelius. You just add there your own name and email address. So I'll go like, this is a tutorial, so I'll go tutorial gmail.com, and then I'm going to add a phone number. Now I'll add a phone number, and then I'll add also the street address here. Okay, and state Maryland. Now when I got it, I'm going to press next here, and zip code also. Okay. And you see it right here. So you get option the state filling time. So you can go with the 4 weeks or 10 business days. So I can go 4 weeks here, and I can simply go that way, or 10 business days. That's completely up to you what kind of filling you're gonna choose, or how much time you actually have. Now LLC name, here you're gonna write your name of the company. So I can simply write here Salvi, that's the name of my company. And then you're gonna choose LLC, LLC, or just your designator that you like. Then number of members, I'm going to choose 1, and business purpose. So I can simply write here marketing services for small business owners, for example. And then you have to add like tell us what industry your business is in, and I'm going to again marketing, and I see the marketing consulting services right here. Now when I got it, I'm going to also add the company address information. If you have office, you just write office here if you want, and then next. Then you see the upgraded for only $149 to receive these free premium services. So if you didn't actually added any, if you didn't choose the expedited filling service before, you can simply choose the premium service package, and you would have the business contract templates here. Like let's say sales agreement, terms of service, privacy policy, and many others. And then you're gonna have option to have also domain name and business email address. And here, if you want it, you can simply get upgrade and bonus, or you can choose no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. I will click here get upgrade the bonus for the filling time and for the business contract templates, but you don't need to, it's up to you. Then you have options to go with the member. If you remember the individual or a company, you choose it right here, and you choose like let's say Marcus Tonelius and address. And then if you have multiple people here, you would choose also the ownership. Then the percentage. I will press OK next. And here you have options to assign Incfile. So I'm going to assign Incfile as my registered agent for 1 year. And then you have like why use as a registered agent Incfile. You can have a free for a first year. You can have guaranteed rates, all inclusive. And this is really important because then you can actually focus on making the business, running the money, etc., and not acting as you as a registered agent. So when you got it, again, I'm going to press next here. I'm going to choose a name and then SSN number. And then when I got this all, again, I'm going to choose the physical address here. And when I have it all, I'll press next. Then you have option to choose a banking. So you have an option that Bank of America Small Business Specialist would contact you. Or you can go, no, not at this time. So again, this is something that you can do and that you can choose and go this way. And when you finish this, then you can simply press next again. And then tax strategy free consultation. This is something that I definitely recommend for you to have, is that yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free, that you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes. So you will learn it all here, what you should do. And then when you got it, you will get it for free. And after filling the order, you would know all the stuff that you need. Then you see we identify 2 licenses for your consulting business in Maryland. This is something that I definitely recommend also for you to have, is that you can click yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications so you don't have to do the work by yourself. So again, I would recommend yes and fill everything out and then just press next here. And then you're going to have the formation information. So contact info, agent, company, member info, business tech consultation and everything. And when you're going to have it, just press next again. And then you're going to have the ending the billing. So when you're going to finish the street address, the card holder and everything, then the Incfile is going to contact you and they're going to write you, etc. They have amazing ratings. A lot of people already created, so it's like safe to go this way. And that's what I like about Incfile. They're like top notch. And they have also the chat or the number if you're going to have any questions that you need, like what to do, how you should start. Okay, what is, like, can you explain what is the free agent service for a year? Like, I don't understand it. Also, if you can have any questions, guys, don't hesitate and ask down below in the comments. If I know the answer, I will be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. This is how you can simply start your own LLC in Maryland with Incfile. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye, guys. See ya.